In the vibrant heart of Central Park, hidden amongst towering buildings and echoing laughter, lived a spunky girl named Lisa. Lisa wasn't just any girl, though. Her hair, a mane of rainbow dreadlocks, seemed to capture the sunlight and braid stories with every sway. But Lisa was shy. Her hair, though beautiful, made her feel like a spotlight was always following, and she preferred reading hidden in leafy nooks, whispering secrets to the pigeons. One sunny afternoon, while munching on a deliciously gooey cookie, Lisa heard a sniffle. Following the sound, she peeked behind a weeping willow and saw a sight that made her heart melt. A small boy, no bigger than Lisa herself, slumped on a bench, tears rolling down his cheeks, his beloved frisbee stuck precariously on a high branch. Lisa knew she had to act. Her heart thumped like a drum solo, but remembering her grandpa's words, even the smallest voice can roar against the wind, she took a deep breath. Cautiously, she approached the boy. His name was Tom, her dreadlocks swaying like colourful tentacles. Tom sniffed louder, burying his face in his knees. "Hey, Tom," Lisa whispered, her voice as soft as morning dew. Tom looked up, surprise flickering in his eyes. "What do you want?" he mumbled, wiping his snotty nose. Lisa pointed to the stuck frisbee. "Frisbee trouble, huh? Don't worry, I'm on the case." Tom scoffed. "Yeah, right. It's stuck way up there." Lisa knew brute force wouldn't work, but she was crafty. Spotting a fallen branch, she fashioned a makeshift slingshot, giggling as she looped one of her vibrant dreads around it. Ready for liftoff? She instructed Tom, handing him the other end of the branch. With a synchronized yank and a joyous yell, they launched the slingshot, the frisbee soaring through the air like a rainbow bird. It landed perfectly in Tom's outstretched arms. His eyes widened like saucers. "Wow," he exclaimed, a grin erupting on his face. "You're incredible." Lisa blushed, her cheeks mimicking the red in her dreads. "Maybe," she winked. "But sometimes the littlest people can do the biggest things." From that day on, Lisa wasn't the shy girl hiding in the shadows. She was Lisa, the resourceful champion of lost frisbees and broken moods, her rainbow dreadlocks a symbol of bravery and kindness. And Tom, well, he found a new best friend, and together they turned Central Park into their own vibrant playground of adventures.